सरदार, जागीरदार पीर, ताकतवर पॉलिटिशियन, और जब वो टारगेट बनाते हैं तो उसके बाद एक नया नैरेटिव बिल्ड किया जाता है मीडिया मालकान के लिए और उन तमाम बाकी तंजीमों के लिए जो कहीं ना कहीं चमक के सहारे उन ताकतवर हलकों के साथ खड़े हुए हैं।
Hi, good evening. I'm Faisal Maksud and you're watching FM News International. Right now, I'm in the capital of Pakistan and we have introduced yourself because lots of people who are watching you from all over the world, they don't know you. But I know many people from Islamabad and belong to journalism, they know you. But all over the people, they are watching you, they don't know you. So introduce yourself.
My name is Sehrish Qureshi and I am Vice President of National Press Club Islamabad, spokesperson of Women Journalist Caucus, and I am associated with The Independent. That's a British publication and I'm working for the regional language. So it's independent.
What do you think about the PICA Act?
So obviously, as we have always been saying about it, protesting against it, we believe it is actually against the law and it curbs the rights of journalists all over the Pakistan, not only of only journalists but of the common citizens as well. And we label it as a black law because it curbs the very basic right which is enshrined in Constitution of Pakistan, which is freedom of expression. So yes, we are very much against it, and we have condemned this act in our protests, in roads, in our convention as well.
As you know, many females who are facing too much problem, especially our female journalists like harassment, and you know, the better than me. So how do you see that? How can we solve these problems?
So, if you look into the declaration we have given yesterday at the second Women Journalist Convention, which Pakistan Federal Union of Journalists and RIUJ organized, basically, in that declaration we have clearly stated that state government should act for the protection of women journalists, for the protection of women. And when they face online harassment, online trolling, their presence in the cyberspace gets shrunk. So, state has to exercise its power, not to silence the journalist, but to protect the journalists.
Once again, thank you so much for your time. Before leaving, would you like to give message to people who are watching you from Islamabad?
Yes, certainly. I would say them all that be focused on your work, and work as our Qaid has said. Thank you.
जरा प्यार से बोलो, जरा सारे बोलो, जरा दाएं बालो, जरा बाएं बालो, जरा पीछे वालो, जरा तुम भी बोलो, जरा सारे बोलो, दिल थाम के बोलो, जरा आस्था बोलो।
Assalamualaikum. This is Uruj Fatma Chaudhary from Sakhar, and I am the member of the Sakhar Press Club and also reporter in the Daily News Log. Now I'm currently present in the Legends Hotel Islamabad, and the PFUG organized a women convention and also organized the third journalist convention in Islamabad, the Legends Hotel. The main reasons of this.
What are the main purpose of this convention?
The main reason.
Purpose, yes.
The main purpose of this journalist convention, especially the women journalist convention, is that women journalist faces a lot of issues, a lot of harassment, harassment, and a lot of facing different types of issues in Pakistan, like interior Sindh, Punjab, Balochistan. Especially in interior and the Balochistan, the journalist women facing a lot of issues like harassment, and also male journalists also facing the issues like daily wages, like less salary, and also the main issue is also facing the threats of murder, threats of also facing the social media threats, or murder threats. That's why the PFUJ and all the unions of the Pakistan, Federal Union of the Pakistan, Journalist Union of the Pakistan organized the convention, and this convention is very important for all the journalists of the Pakistan.
Once again, thank you so much. Before leaving, what would you like to say to people who are watching you from all over the world, especially the journalists who are facing the same problem?
I'm just saying about this convention. The people who are facing many issues, especially women's, like facing harassment and the online harassment, and facing major issues like daily wages, less salary, and murder threats, and the females need harassment. Yes, the females need to raise your voice through the social media and also inform your unions and also inform your PFUJ like president and other body members. The main issue highlighting peoples need to highlight, especially journalists need to highlight all the issues on social media platform, because you are all know that the current generation like Gen Z is believe on the social media. So especially the journalist needs to highlight issue on social media and also share your issues like PFUJ's members and presidents of your press club and related members to the journalist.
Yeah, let's go. Every rep, yeah, I grind.
Hi, good evening. I am Faisal Maqsood and you're watching FM News International. Right now, I'm in the capital of Pakistan and we have well-known personality from Pakistan. Could you please introduce yourself, because lots of people who are watching you from all over the world, they don't know about you. So introduce yourself.
I'm Benazir Mehdi, डायरेक्टर नौ चैनल 5 न्यूज़ एंड एंकर पर्सन। मैं प्रोग्राम करती हूँ बेनज़ीर इस्लामाबाद से रात 8 बजे का। यकीनन आप इस कन्वेंशन के बारे में मुझसे पूछना चाह रहे होंगे। ये कन्वेंशन जो था, मैं इस वजह से कि इस कन्वेंशन की जो सबसे अच्छी बात ये थी कि इस यहाँ पर हमने देखा था कि मुख्तलिफ जैसे मुल्तान है, भावलपुर है, छोटे छोटे शहरों से लोग आए जिनसे हमें इंटरेक्शन का मौका मिला। सो द थिंग इज़ दैट कि हम जो यहाँ पर जर्नलिज्म कर रहे होते हैं या लाहौर में, इस्लामाबाद में, कराची में, तो ये तो एक जस्ट लाइक हेवन है ना, हर अपॉर्चुनिटी हमें मौजूद है यहाँ पर। बट जो लोग वहाँ पे जर्नलिज्म कर रहे हैं उनके क्या मसाइल हैं, हमें वो भी पता चला और बहुत अच्छे तरीके से पता चला। द सेकंड थिंग इज, जो सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट एंगल है इस कन्वेंशन का, वो ये था कि जो लेटेस्ट टेक्नोलॉजी है, हमेशा ये कहा जाता है कि जी जब से सोशल मीडिया आया है तो जर्नलिज्म ख़त्म हो गई है, एआई ने जर्नलिज्म को ख़राब कर दिया है। नहीं, इसमें
एआई ने तो नया चेहरा दिया है जर्नलिज्म को और बहुत शॉर्ट कर दिया। जो आप थंबनेल बड़ी एडिटिंग करके ग्राफिक्स बनाते थे, वो आप बहुत आसान हो गया। इसको मैं पढ़ा भी रहा हूँ।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, ये एक पॉजिटिव पॉइंट है ना, जिसको डिस्कस किया गया। मेरे ख्याल में आज से पहले इस तरह डिस्कस नहीं किया जा रहा था। दूसरी बात ये है कि देखिए उसका पॉजिटिवली यूज भी बताया गया, और जो एक जो फियर था जर्नलिस्ट के जहन में कि अब एआई आने से जो है वो जर्नलिस्ट के लिए मौके ख़त्म हो जाएंगे, उनकी जो जॉब सिक्योरिटीज़ का मसला होगा, वो नहीं है। देखिए जो जर्नलिस्ट होता है वो जर्नलिस्ट होता है, उसकी इन्वेस्टिगेशन होती है। एआई आपको ये बता सकता है कि हाँ ये वाक़या हुआ, ऐसे हुआ, ऐसे हुआ, ऐसे रिपोर्ट हुआ, मगर जर्नलिस्ट उस पर इन्वेस्टिगेशन करता है। जो जर्नलिस्ट की वर्थ है वो हमेशा रहेगी। जर्नलिस्ट भी एआई को वही चीज़ें बता के वो वही चीज़ें पूछता है।
It's depend on your how you literate, how literate. Yes.
It's depend
Because
on
if you are not educated,
Yes.
how do you know? If you don't know how to write, even so, how can you say? Even there is too much options you can use in AI.
इट्स डिपेंड अपॉन योर क्रिएटिविटी कि आप उसको
Skills.
कैसे क्रिएट कर सकते हैं, आपकी क्या स्किल्स हैं, और अब आप उसको कैसे अप टू डेट कर सकते हैं। आप नई टेक्नोलॉजी से फिर आपको जो है ना एक जिसे कहते हैं खौफजदा होने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। आपको नई टेक्नोलॉजी को अपनाने की ज़रूरत है और उसे आप यूज़ करके अपने स्किल्स को और ज़्यादा बेहतर कर सकते हैं।
Hi, good evening. I am Faisal Maqsood and you're watching FM News International. Right now, I'm in the capital of Pakistan, and we have introduced yourself because lots of people who are watching you from all over the world, they don't know about you.
Assalamu alaikum. I'm Sarwat Jabin here. I am a host of a program. I used to take interviews of celebrities, which is based on a political and different artists. Right now, I am in Islamabad. A very good initiative, a very good step PFUJ has taken for the journalist. And today is the second day. Yesterday, that was a women convention. That was the second convention, and today is the third convention for the national. All over the journalists from the Pakistan, they came here, and they are just talking about the rights and the freedom of to express feelings and views, suggestions,
Expressions, yeah.
expressions regarding about journalism. So I think, hope so, it will be fruitful and will be a benefit for us to.
As you know, currently lots of mostly Pakistani journalists facing too much problems. You know better than me. You're also part of the media.
yes.
So how do you see? And,
No doubt.
This convention will be fruitful for the journalists, unemployment journalists who are facing too much problems.
Definitely, you're absolutely right. As we all know, so many media houses, print media, we can say, electronic media, we can say, they are just firing without any intimation and notification to the journalist. No any clarification. Even they are just going to give, okay, you are just fired from this. So we sort of. Troubles and problems we are all the time just facing every day. So this is right now a roof under roof. We all gathered here to raise our voice, to give us right and to give us justice. I can say I don't blame to anyone. I don't blame to anyone because all over the system regarding from if you can see from down to upstairs or up to down, all the corruption and each and everything, they're just zipped the lips of a journalist. So this is the main reason, I think. They don't raise their voice.
That's true. Thank you so much for your time. Before leaving, would you like to give message to people who are watching you from all over the world, especially the journalists who are facing the problem?
For the journalists and for my brother and sisters who are working under this roof, inshallah ta'ala, we will be get success and we'll get a justice.
Leaving all the doubt behind. On the court, it's my design. Pushing past the finish line. Feel that momentum shift. Take the shot, it's a gift. Clutch player built for this. Never ever gonna miss. I am limitless, no ceiling. It's a winner state of feeling. Got that fire so appealing. Break the game.
Hi, good evening. I'm Faisal Maqsood and you're watching FM News International. Right now, you can see I'm in the capital of Pakistan and we have introduced yourself because lots of people who are watching you from all over the world, they don't know about you.
I'm Shaheen Ateek from Karachi. I'm a multimedia journalist. So it was a fantastic day today convention. We have enjoyed a lot. We have learned a lot.
So the Pakistani journalists, they are facing too much problem. What the main purpose of this convention?
This convention was for to solve their issue. Why they are lacking in information regarding digital media training and other training. So finally, they have decided that they will provide training workshops to journalists. Then they can and they can excel in digital media too.
Do you think after training they can solve their own problems? Like journalists facing not only the digital media or social media problem, the others problem. Like
Others
threats,
problem,
like
our leaders can.
harassment.
Our leaders will help to solve this problem. Individual can't solve themselves because we have to be united, and then we can solve regarding threats from organization, threats regarding jobs.
How do you see PICA Act?
Uh, will you honor it?
Yeah, of course.
It's a threat for everyone because we can't say what we want to say. We can't express ourselves.
Thank you so much for your time. Before leaving, would you like to give message to people who are watching you from all over the world, especially the journalists?
we have to be united. We have to help each other.
Thank you so much. It was a beautiful message. Stay with us. We inform you.
जरा प्यार से बोलो, जरा सारे बोलो, जरा दाएं वालों, जरा बाएं वालों, जरा पीछे वालों, जरा तुम भी बोलो, जरा सारे बोलो, दिल थाम के बोलो, जरा आस्था बोलो, जरा आस्था बोलो, दिल थाम के बोलो, जरा सोच के बोलो, जरा सोच के बोलो, जरा सोच के बोलो, क्या सोच लिया है, क्या सोच लिया है।